In 2020, the richest man in the world tweeted, "I am selling almost all physical possessions. Will own no house." Why? Because billionaires like Elon Musk understand a secret that the middle class doesn't. The power of being asset rich, but cash poor. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. They intentionally engineer their lives to have zero liquid cash sitting around. If there's no cash in front of you, your brain cannot waste it. Today, I'll show you how to copy this billionaire glitch using the zero balance method. Buffett's golden rule is, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. We take this to the extreme. The second you get paid, you set up an auto. 100% of your money is instantly transferred out of your main checking account. It goes immediately into your investments, savings, and bills. You are buying your own rockets and factories. You leave your spending account at exactly zero. Now, you walk around with a card that will decline. You have successfully created the billionaire's illusion. You are completely broke. When you want to buy something impulsive, you now have to log in, unlock your vault, and manually transfer the money. That 15-second delay forces your logical brain to wake up. You realize that buying a new jacket means actively selling off a piece of your financial empire. Just like Musk putting all his PayPal money into you feel the pressure of being broke, which keeps you hungry and disciplined. But underneath the surface, quietly and aggressively, your money is compounding. The middle class wants to look rich. The ultra-wealthy want their money to work so hard that there is nothing left to look at. Are you brave enough to drop your account to zero today and build your empire? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.